Okay, congratulations on making it till the end of this training. Thank you for being our student. Thank you for being here with me today. I truly appreciate your presence. And hey, I know this course wasn't a short one. It was actually pretty complex. I know targeting is not an easy topic. However, I try to break it down into little steps and make it as clear as possible. And the information that we covered in this training is basically really advanced. This is not the basic stuff that you can read everywhere on the internet. This is really advanced stuff that will allow you to grow your business. So we talked about lots of different stuff. We talked about how to reach out to your customers, how to reach out to similar audiences, how to use retargeting so that you can reach out to your website visitors. We covered some core concepts, a lot of different strategies. But what's important now is that you don't sit on this. Take action. Pick one strategy that you liked and then just, get started. And then just take it from there. Optimize your results. Make sure that you get the results that you expect, that you get the outcome that you want, and then just move on to the next strategy. So don't try to deploy all of the strategies right away. This will just confuse you. Get started with one simple strategy. And hey, if you're stuck, I'm here to help you. Just reach out, say hi. Also give me some feedback, what you liked, what you didn't like. But if there's any problem that you have, if you need some help on optimizing your campaigns, if there was something you didn't understand, hey, I'm really here to help you. And I want to make sure that you use these advanced Facebook targeting strategies to scale your business. So again, thank you for being our student. Have a great day. Have fun with targeting. Just make sure to get started, and I'll talk to you soon.